Hey, it's Dan, your biker in the kitchen. I'm going to throw together another meal using my cast iron pan experiment and my newly found low carb tortilla wraps. So it's kind of going to be a little bit of a breakfast thing, but I think it'll be pretty good. Let's get it rolling. All right, as with all breakfast, you start with some eggs. At least I do. These happen to be eggs from a chicken. You could use duck or goose, or if you're really hungry, you might try ostrich, but you better be hungry. Anyway, you got to crack a few eggs to make a breakfast. And like magic, they're ready to go. One trick I learned from my Asian friends is I use chopsticks instead of a whisk to stir eggs. I don't know why I prefer that, but I do. Chopsticks were one of the greatest inventions, I do believe. It's kind of like your fingers, but not. Less mess. Alright, those look like they're going to be good to go. Alright, I guess I'll be fair. I was keeping one of my secrets back here. I do salt and pepper the eggs, but I do have my secret ingredient, which is some horseradish sauce. That's a biker in the kitchen secret for making good eggs. It gives it a very good flavor, and people can't figure out what you did. So now you all know the biker's secret. Alright, getting started with some butter. With the cast iron, I'd already warmed it up. It's on low heat, but it warms up quick and stays hot. We'll chase some butter around here so nothing sticks. Then we're going to add some turkey. That's what I had. I'd prefer to have bacon, but I didn't have any. And some celery. And some mushrooms. Just add all that in there. Get that sauteing up a little bit. I'll turn that heat down a little more. Once that pan's hot, it stays hot. And we'll come back to this in a few seconds. Alright, now that we got that cooked and browned, we're going to add the eggs in there. I flattened out the meat and vegetables so that they'll lay a little flatter. And I want to kind of control this omelet size and shape because I'm going to put it on a plate and I want it to fit. That's like chasing a herd of cats sometimes. That should be an alright shape there. Now that's cooking the rest of the way. You've got to add cheese. The bikers from Wisconsin, we put cheese on everything. Then we'll come back when that melts. It does happen sometimes when I'm cooking. I get my proportions a little bit to the heavy side, so it's bigger than I thought. So I'm going to put some tortillas on this, but instead of one, I'm going to have to use two. Two is always better than one anyway. And again, these are 5 grams per tortilla, so it's pretty guilt-free. We're going to let that steam a little bit and warm those up, then we'll flip them. Alright, this is the delicate part of the operation, plating it up. So we're going to take one of our dinner plates here and try not to get burned. Put that down in the pan. Then we're going to flip it like that. And there she is. Let's see if you can see that or not. Yep, you can see it. So, browned turkey. Let me roll this over a little bit more. This burner is really hot right there. I moved it off the stove so I don't get myself injured while I'm doing this. This thing is a little bit warm, so I'm going to fold both ends over. And she is warm still, but I'm going to roll it up tight. All right, she's rested a little bit. We're going to cut it. See what she looks like. Looking pretty good. Add a little bit of taco sauce. Voila. We'll see how it tastes. Nothing left to do now but give it a try. Love these tortillas. Damn, that's good if I do say so myself. Nobody else will say it, so I have to. It's your biker. I'm out.